how to change your photos order on Facebook. So go onto Facebook and then onto the post you want to change. So I want to change Mount Etna. So go onto the three dots, press edit. So here, what we used to do was we used to delete it and re-add, but now you can go to the bottom. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom. As you see, it's in the wrong order, so I want to change some of them. Press add photos and videos. So you can add in new photos and then change the order. So if you look at the bottom here, they're really small, but that's because I have so many. If you accidentally tap it, it will delete. So here you see I'm on the cable car, but I rented some boots and it's in the wrong order. So I can hold and drag my boots earlier. So this is when I got my boot, then I went onto the cable car. If you go along, you can see that I got to the middle section, but somehow I'm already on top of the mountain. I'm already on top of the volcano. So I'm going to move this forward over here. So I got off the cable car, and this is what I did. Got up to the top. Picked up some rocks. This is a picture from inside the vehicle, so I want to put this over here when I just got into the vehicle. So you can go through your photos, then press next, and then you want to press done and save. Then what you need to do is you need to scroll back up and refresh the page. Go back down to your post and you can double check that it worked. So now you see the photos in big. This is where I moved my boots just before the cable car, and then after the cable car I just moved the off-road vehicles, and then a photo of the mountain,